welcome back. So when I tried the test path, if you look at my command here, it doesn't have a double quotes, which was treated these as unknown within my command in the PowerShell. So what I did is I just added double quotes, and then when I hit enter, it says recognize it true. So if I go back here, and the value should recognize DUE if I execute that command. So I should be clicking on next. Let me go back here. Okay, so I have to now edit every way the properties of my script actually. Otherwise it would treat as a completely different value. Okay, so wherever you're pasted with the previous values, so make sure that you mention as the script with the double quotes. Okay, good. So double quote. So this keyboard has problem. I can't paste that as it is, so it's better to copy paste. So just go back here to your wizard, and wherever you have this. Okay. Step also in the detection, it pasted the wrong code without a double quote. So just make sure that you pasted that, and then in my case I'm taking all, but in your case you should make sure that if you want to check it against Windows 7, you just choose Windows 7, 64 or 32 with the service pack 1. Otherwise don't choose other things, because it will unwanted run on other PCs. Okay, when you assign to that configuration item or the baseline to your collection. So now let's create the baseline name. So in my case now I'm just creating as DT9 with PowerShell. Okay, so now let's simply say configuration item I have. See, now in this video it is showing 2, but in previous video it was showing just a 1. So now I have chosen as a PowerShell 1. Okay, click OK, but make sure that you give it proper naming. Otherwise, it doesn't look good. So just check your previous configuration items and their naming standard, and try to follow that. So I'm just trying to use this, and I want you to reply as alert, and then a collection called any device collections. Make sure that. Because this is for device collection, so DT9, okay, and I just given as the default ones. Now let's go back to control panel on client PC and go to configuration manager. Don't do this on your SCCM server, since I don't have a client PC. I'm just trying the same settings client PC also as SCCM server, but don't do that. Okay, just do it on your real client PC or this PC. So I just click on policy and correct, and second time, and right here I have policy downloaded with the PowerShell. I just wanted to evaluate that should the error. So the script has ended with error. Now I should check it what went wrong. So it was not, the value was wrong actually. If you go down, CI script not signed. So this is different actually, so by default every script should be signed, but that there's a command line to this basically if you get this error, that means it should not get in production by the way. But if at all you got this error, that means if you have to check your client agent settings. Let's go to this client agent setting. So in my case I have the default client agent, and under client computer client agent, if you look at here, I have not allowing any scripts, okay, all signed, only in allowed. So if I give as bypass, okay, it will automatically run that. So I just click that okay, and but changing that is completely depends on your organization IT compliance policies, but most of the time they don't allow to change that. You have to write your script to sign in based, you just Google how to write any script. This handling method of the PowerShell, you will get it. Okay, and the code would be the same, but the signature or the signing process is completely different. Okay, now I'll just review this, and this time also put it in the policies not signing. Let's see. Wait, maybe the policy is not retrieved. So just try this, and if I go back to the configuration by this time, if it is able, you can grab it in a few minutes where it is configuration. Okay, so it has companies. If not, I will do say view report, and then the report this time it has shown this complaint. So what I've done is I did another change, as I told you earlier. The configuration policy also should be set here. Let's go kindly hit settings with the computer page, and you should set the required value, and execution policy. This is called. Okay, that's it. So it's very simple and very fast.